Welcome in my channel Digital World. In this video we learn about Python operators. So click on New, select Python 3, rename this file Python operators. Write the heading Python operators and select Markdown. There are three different types of operators. First one is arithmetic, second one is assignment, third one is logical. Select here Markdown. So the first one is arithmetic operations. Which perform arithmetic operations. So the first one is addition operation. So write A is equal to 10, B is equal to 4, perform C is equal to A plus B and display value of C. So A is 10, B is 4, A plus B, C is equal to 14. Second one is subtraction. Take A is equal to 20, B is equal to 10, C is equal to A minus B. Display value of C. So A is 20, B is 10, so C is equal to 10. Third one is multiplication. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A multiply with B and display value of C. So A is 10, B is 20, C is equal to A multiply by B, so C is equal to 200. Next one is division. So A is equal to 20, B is equal to 2, C is equal to A divided by B, display value of C. So A is 20, B is 2, C is 10. Next one is mod operation. It gives a remainder. So take one value. A is equal to 10 and C mod of equal to 2. Print the value of C. Enter. So it will show 0, 0. So how it performs? You can write here C is equal to C mod of 2. So it gives C is equal to, the value of C is 10 mod of 2. So 2 divided by 10, the remainder is 0. Next one is floor division. A is equal to 20, B is equal to 10, C is equal to A floor division of B. Then print C and enter. So what it gives? 20 divided by 10, this is 2. So in this floor division it gives quotient. Next one is power. Take A is equal to 20, or just take small number. A is equal to 2, C is equal to A double star 2. Print C. So A is equal to 4. So it indicates that A C is equal to 2 star star 2 is nothing but C raised to 2, or you can write like C is equal to 2 raised to 2. So it gives 4. So in this way we learn about arithmetic operators. Next one is learn about assignment operator. Assignment operators. There are multiple assignment operators are there, like plus, equal. The next one is minus equal, multiplication equal, then division, then floor division, then power, modulo, equal. So there are multiple operators are there in assignment operator also. We'll see all operators one by one. Yes. Select as marked now. See the first one. For example, A is equal to 2, and just write A plus equal to 2. So what it does? It does A is equal to A plus 2. So A is equal to, initial value of A is 2. So write here 2 plus this, we have to do the addition with 2. So see the value in A. This is comment. So write it hash. Okay, so A is equal to 2. So A plus is equal to 2 is nothing but A plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Go for next. B is equal to 20. So B minus equal to 10, and see the value in B. So this gives 20 minus 10, output is equal to 10. So it works like B is equal to B minus 10. Value of b is 20. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Next one is c is equal to 10. So write c star equal to 2. See the value in the c. So c is equal to 20. So 10 multiplied by 2, c is equal to 20. Then d is equal to 20. Then d divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2. So print the value of d. D is equal to 10. So in this way we can learn other operators. Then the third one is logical operators. So write here 3 logical operators. Select here, mark down. There are 3 logical operators we study: and, or, and not. See with few examples. For example, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. So write a condition: if a is equal to 2 and, here we have to use and as a logical operator, b is equal to 3. If both conditions are satisfied, then print both are correct. Both are correct. If both are not correct, then you go to the else, write it, print incorrect. Print incorrect. So here a and b both are, a is 2, b is 3. This condition is satisfied. So output is equal to correct. Check it for or condition. Same thing we can repeat. Instead of and, we can write here or. For example, here b is equal to 3. We are taking b is equal to 5 and just check it. Here or means any one condition is satisfied. So if a is equal to 2, this condition is satisfied, and b is equal to 3. But here b is equal to 5. So this is incorrect. So if one of the condition is satisfied, then also we can write this statement is correct. Third one, we can write it for a is equal to 2. If not a, then print a is not there. A is not there. Else print a is there. Run it, a is there. So we are putting value of a is equal to 2, right? If not a, then print a is not there, but a is already available over here.